At the moment, I'm in Smithville, Tennessee. Here's the gas station we're cleaning now. How's it going, everyone? I am Michael with 15 Cent Pressure Washing. At the moment, I'm in Smithville, Tennessee at a gas station. And here in a minute, we're gonna get started on some gas station cleaning. But if you own a gas station, you operate a gas station, you know, it's important that you keep your gas station clean. You know, gas stations tend to have other gas stations not even 500 to 1,000 feet away from them. So there's a lot of competition. And if the gas station across the street is cleaner than yours, you know, when people go, they're going to get a better vibe than they do at your gas station. You know, so you're wanting to attract that business. You're wanting to generate that business towards your gas station. See, look at this. Here's the gas station we're cleaning now. There's a gas station, a Mapco, literally right across the street. Okay, so if you're wanting to beat the competition and generate more traffic than they are, keep your gas station clean. You know, we understand that, you know, it's hard to keep them up sometimes because they generate so much traffic, you know, but it's really inexpensive versus what you get out of it, you know, because you are gonna generate a lot more business than you would if your gas station was destroyed, you know, and it doesn't take long. You know, if you're not cleaning oil spots, removing gum, stuff like that, your lot is going to be filled with gum, oil, and once you do go to have it cleaned, you're going to pay out the wahoo because there's just so much to do. And it would benefit you a lot more to do it every 2 to 3 months. You know, that's what we recommend, to have your gas station cleaned every 2 to 3 months. Grease traps, you know, do your hood vents like every 6 months or whatnot. But have the lot cleaned, canopy poles, canopy decking, canopy fascia. And this is also going to save you from painting. You know, it costs a lot more to have that canopy decking and canopy fascia, the canopy poles, all that stuff painted than it does to have it soft washed or pressure washed. I'm telling you, it's going to save you a lot of money down the road. So here's our equipment. We have top of the line heaters, top of the line pressure washers. We can definitely get the job done. So if you're looking to have your gas station clean, give us a shout, man. We'll come out, we'll get you an estimate going. They're free of charge. You know, and we also do chain washing as well. So if you have multiple locations, we can get them done. I mean, we travel to Alabama, Kentucky. You know, we go all around. And this video is more for gas station owners, operators, you know, if you run a gas station. And I'm going to talk about why it's important to keep your gas station clean. You know, gas stations tend to have, you know, gas stations right beside them. So your gas station is right there on the corner, not even 500 feet away. There's your competitor's gas station. Across the street from them, you got another competitor's gas station. You know, so the gas stations are everywhere. And gas stations tend to be quite dirty due to all the traffic, you know, and it sometimes it can be hard to keep up with them and keep them clean. Now, saying that, if your gas station's clean and you stay on top of it and you keep it clean, you're going to generate more business. I promise you, you're going to generate more business. When people go to spend money, even if it's on gas, anything, you know, when a place is clean, we feel good. You know, if you got gum everywhere, oil everywhere, the lot's about black, you know, it just looks trashy, people are less likely going to come to your gas station, especially if the gas station across the street is kept clean. See, look at here. Here's the gas station we're cleaning. And then there's literally a Mapco right across the street. And at the moment, that Mapco is cleaner than the gas station we're at. It's not going to be cleaner for long. We're about to put in work.